Hi guys, we're gonna play the face emotions. Okay,
We'll go to the next round.
okay. What's the first emotion?
Happy.
Happy. Okay, everyone, happy. Go.
Hey. That's sad.
Oh no, that's it. Okay, 1, 2, 3, happy.
No, that's shock. Daddy, this is happy.
Where? Okay, 1, 2, 3, happy.
That's sad.
Oh no. One more.
Happy like this.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, next.
Good. Sad.
What's next? Elias, what emotion?
Sad. Sad.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, sad.
That's happy.
Oh, that's happy. Okay, 1, 2, 3, sad.
That's silly. That's sweet.
Okay, how sad? 1, 2, 3, go. Eh, yes, that's sad.
Huh?
Sad. Go. 1, 2, 3, go.
Again. Sad.
1, 2, 3, sad. Okay, next.
Surprise.
Surprise. 1, 2, 3, go.
That's happy.
Sabi 1, 2, 3, go.
Good.
Good.
Shock.
Shock. 1, 2, 3.
Good. How about angry?
Angry. 1, 2, 3, go.
Daddy, nice practice.
Oh, ganun pala. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Angry.
That is good.
Correct. Okay.
Correct.